Hello and welcome back to Steam Workshop. My name is Mark and I'm the lead engineer on the Effie restoration for the Cleethorpes Coast Light Railway. Unfortunately, I've lost most of this week, partially due to the Tinkerbell behind me and partially due to some woodwork jobs that I needed doing. And unfortunately, I'm the wood guy here and also the larger engine guy. Funny thing is though, this Tinkerbell is almost the same size as Effie, albeit half the size by gauge. But I have done one job this week on Effie, and I can fit it in the palm of my hand, and I'll show you that now. So the job I have actually managed to do is these lovely little brass inserts here, and these are purely to fill this rectangular hole here. So I've created a step, and this will be used to block off the holes, and then a hole will be drilled in the top and tapped, and then an oil pot will be mounted on top. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've managed to get done this week on Effie. So I didn't want to go without making a video this week. So yeah, I've shown you literally the handful of work that I've done this week on Effie. Also in other news, the plate work should be ready beginning of next week. So I will be able to get on with getting the smoke box tackled or smoke box saddle tackled and all the other metal components that I've had cut out. But yeah, hopefully next week, a lot more productive in the world of Effie. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.